As digital banking evolves, ATMs continue to be a vital resource for cash withdrawals around the globe. But a shadow looms large: the sophisticated scam known as cash trapping. This deceit, where criminals install devices on ATMs to trap dispensed cash, affects unsuspecting individuals worldwide, causing not just financial loss but eroding trust in these essential machines. Authorities and financial institutions from the icy shores of Newfoundland to the bustling streets of London are raising awareness, signaling a clear message: vigilance is paramount. The cunning nature of this scam underscores the relentless innovation of criminals and the universal challenge of safeguarding financial transactions. To fortify against this global threat, consider these protective measures. Examine the ATM. Before use, scrutinize the machine for odd attachments or tampering signs. Anomalies could be a red flag, and you should use another machine if you're in doubt. Conceal your PIN. Shielding the keypad during PIN entry is a simple yet effective deterrent against prying eyes and covert cameras. Prefer secure locations. Opt for ATMs within or near bank premises, especially those under surveillance or in high-traffic areas, to minimize risks. This international concern highlights the critical need for enhanced security measures and public awareness. This kind of fake-out doesn't just happen to ATMs, it's a familiar trick at gas stations and self-checkouts too. Trusted machines can be converted for terrible purposes, and we all must be on the lookout. In combating cash trapping, knowledge and caution are our best defenses, ensuring the integrity of our cash withdrawals in any corner of the world. Check your inbox next week for another video short on security threats, breaking news, and tips for staying cyber secure.